Miso have got a new device. I have it on the table. It's the Miso FIFA. Alex, I've got 3 colorways of this brand new pod system.
You do.
Now, for anyone that's going, oh, do you know what? You're doing quite a lot for outside of TPD regions. I've got good news for them. This is TPD compliant. It's a 2 mil pod device, an open system, if you will. Now, if you want to take a look down here, you'll see we've got 3 color variants of it. So it's a very attractive device until you touch your fingerprints on the outside of that chrome there, Alex. So the chrome is bling, and then you get a fingerprint on it and you go, oh, if you're like me, you're cleaning it off in your t-shirt.
Yeah, no, I would do that.
So I've put an e-liquid into this one. It's the Doozy Vape Co.
Muffin Delight.
Muffin Delight. It's a 50-50, 20 mg or 2%. Very nice, dessert base, so great for this time of year.
Wow, that's kicking out flavour.
Lovely flavour. And you'll see on the front of the device, there's a little LED that illuminates just to show you the battery state as it goes. And then on
the airflow goes down the side of the pod.
Yeah, and on the side of the device, you'll see the charge port, if I spin that around.
USB Type-C. So we've got a nice 500 milliamp battery, which, you know, that's a daily charge sort of battery size. But
yeah, I mean, certainly on mouth to lung, it's going to get you through the bulk of a day, even if you're heavy vaping.
I would say as well, judging by those first few hits, it's very quick draw. So I think you've probably got very little voltage drop, which means that you will get almost a true 500 milliamps of performance.
Look at those pods. Isn't that great? Now,
it's very cool.
The fill port is just on the top edge there. So you can just see the rubber bung kind of wrap around. So you peel that back, drop your juice in, and away you go.
Bish, bash, bosh.
After about a week, you're going to want to pull the coil out, clean the tank out, drop a new coil in, fill it up with your favourite e-liquid, and off you go again. The bit I really like about it is they're making pod devices now with that first-time experience in mind.
Yeah.
So here's a device that I can put a coil into, fill up with juice. I can look through the window to keep an eye on the juice, ever so simple, to avoid dry hits. There's always liquid in there. I can see that. There's no buttons. There's nothing to worry about.
Nope.
When the battery's flat, I can charge it back up nice and easy. 2 amp fast charge, 500 milliamp hour battery. So I'm going to do that once a day. And that's really all there is. So there's not a huge amount to talk about. I mean, we could look at the ergonomics and
it's pocket friendly.
Pocket friendly. That's a good one, especially nowadays, because the guys are wearing the tight jeans, leggings,
jeggings.
But also, if you're sub-ohming, there's good news because bum bags are back, but they wear it across now.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, a lot of the men are wearing. There's a male form of handbag, but it's man bag.
Yeah, I mean, I'm into backpacks, rucksacks.
Yeah, well, you're old school.
Yeah, I don't go for any bag based hijinks at the front of my person. It's on the back. That's where it goes. 2 straps. I double strap it.
Yeah,
I don't single strap it because then when you go to pick something up, it just
out of your way.
Off.
Bear attack.
Yeah.
No problem. I'm all free.
Yeah, whereas you're not free. If you go single shoulder.
Oh, I'm being stalked by a wolf.
And with the bum bag,
out of the way.
Bum bag here. Yeah. If you get away from the wolf, well played. But if it catches, it's ripped your bum bag, your vaping stuff's fallen out. What's happened? You're upset.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might have survived a
tank
wolf attack.
falls out, cracks your tank. Not yours. Yours is in your backpack.
Yeah.
Rugged.
Exactly. I'm running off. I've won already.
Or you're there to fight because you're free.
The thing is, I've got 2 free hands.
Yeah, there's no bum bag or handbag or man bag in the way.
Punch and Judy.
Yeah. But with this,
Richard and Judy.
You don't even need a man bag.
No.
That can go in your skinny jeans.
It can go in your skinny jeans. It can top pocket shirt it.
Yeah. And
inside pocket of a coat.
For the ladies, stealth that away.
In the bra.
Easy. Low profile. Look at it.
Do you reckon you could, I mean, depending on the woman, you could definitely stick that within the cleavage?
I really like the style.
Or as I like to refer to them, the Anne of Cleves.
Its form factor is really nice, but the fact of the matter here is we judge it on style and functionality.
Yes.
Does it do what it's supposed to do?
And it does.
It does. It does. And
simple and effective.
you can kick out a cloud with this with solid flavour. I've chosen to put my pod into the red one because I think that is just pure class. But all of them are really stunning colourways.
They feel good in hand.
You've got like this change of texture between a matte and a polished metal finish on all of them. But we've got red, we've got black, and we've got the purple. And the variant between them is pretty impressive. It makes me want to start collecting, Alex.
Does it?
I don't know what other colours they've got. It could be a free in the collection. It could be 6.
More. I'm sure there's probably a gold one.
If there's a gold one, I want that as well.
Yeah.
But I know when we tried the Miso disposables, I thought they were pretty impressive.
Oh, I remember, yeah.
Very good for flavour development. Now, what they've done here transfers across really well. So from the coil point of view, these mesh coils, stunning.
Yep.
1.2 isn't my go-to, if I'm honest. I prefer 0.8. I prefer a little bit lower.
Yeah.
If you want,
I like a sub-ohm resistance for a mouth-to-lung hit.
Yeah. Even if you want to go for a cheeky restricted direct to lung, let's see on a 1.2.
It's good.
Okay, it's possible.
Yeah, it's good. It's a functional, easy-to-use device that has a good hit of flavour, and it's a daily carry. It's.
I honestly think, as we start 2023, that this is where the disposable companies that we've seen are heading.
Yeah.
Whether it's replaceable pods or replaceable coils, we're going to see a lot more of these very simple starter devices. And when I say starter, you don't have to be new to vaping to have a go on one of these. It's a convenient device. It's a second device. It's the type of device that you can pick up without having to know about Ohm's law.
Yeah. You don't have to. All you've got to think about is the practicality of how you fill it.
Yeah.
That's it. Like you don't have to worry about like TCR and all that jazz, like temp control and that nonsense. You don't have to think about any of that. All you do, fill it up with the juice that you want, let it soak for a minute, give it a hit. Longer than a minute. Minute was, me just
speeding things up.
We're talking like 5-10 minutes.
Give it
10 minutes.
5.
I would say 10.
Yeah. So you've gone from 1 minute to 10 minutes.
Yeah. But it's the same thing. 10 minutes isn't a long amount of time. 1 minute's an even shorter amount of time, but it's still some time.
Yeah.
So 1 minute, 10 minutes, whatever. It's all good.
Alex, I'm going to pass on your slogan business purely because you might go back of the net and get them in trouble.
Yeah, I don't want to do that, do I?
Don't want to do that. It's a very simple device. We've covered all the main features. It's very aesthetically pleasing. All I can say with this, it has been said. It's simple. It's easy to use. It's beautiful to look at. That is the Miso FIFA.